Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you how to make a house planning step by step in the dimensions of 19 by 19 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients, so if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. So let's get started guys. You can see guys, its front is located at the north direction. Okay, so this is ground floor plan, size is 19 by 19 feet. Here guys, you can see this is main gate. So when you enter by this main gate, so this the first one, you can see this is a TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge is 10 feet by 10 feet. Next guys, you can see this is a staircase for the first floor, which width is up to 3 feet. This is the window to the front side. Remember guys, 3 sides are closed, so this is the other person property, so therefore only the front is open to the road side. Next guys, you can see from this TV lounge you have the access to this kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 6 feet by 6 feet. This is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 10 feet by 12 feet, and this is the study room. Size of this study room is 8 feet by 8 feet. This is wardrobe. Guys, you can see this is open to sky for proper ventilation and lighting. So this is the window for this study room, and this is the window for this bedroom. This is open to sky, which size is 2 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. Next guys, you can see here with this bedroom, this is the bath. Size of this bath is 4 feet by 4 feet, and here this is also open to sky. So this is the window for this kitchen, and this is the window for this bedroom. Open to sky size is 4 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. This is the window for this bath or ventilation for this bath. Next, the general bath we have under this staircase, because the width is 3 feet and length is up to 10 feet. Okay, so guys, you can see here we have the proper ventilation and proper lighting. 3 sides are closed, so therefore we have open to sky here. Okay, you can see this is one open to sky, this is the other open to sky, and this is the front side. Okay, only the size is 19 by 19 feet, and you have the 2 bedrooms on the first floor. Also you will find the 2 bedrooms. So here we have total 4 bedrooms on the ground floor and first floor. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.